The internet has hit an all-new, ridiculous low as people decided to criticize Cardi B after she showed her stomach during her Grammys performance. And it didn't even have anything to do with her weight. It was due to something even more ridiculous. How's it going, guys? I'm Madison Hill. For the latest happening with all of your favorite celebrities like Cardi B, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Cardi B is now under fire after her killer performance with Bruno Mars at the Grammys, and it's not for something you would expect. It has nothing to do with how she performed. Instead, it has everything to do with her stomach, specifically the hair on her stomach. I told you the internet has really hit an all-time low here. The designer of Cardi's Grammys outfit posted a pic of her to their Instagram page, and instead of people praising the outfit and Cardi's performance, they started calling her out for having hair on her stomach. People commented things like, quote, "She need to shave that stomach. Gross. Y'all see her happy trail, though she need to shave that stomach." And quote, "She better shave that stomach hair before modeling." Am I the only one who is totally appalled by all of this? Tell me if you're with me or against me over Cardi B's stomach hair down there in the comments. Thankfully, several people came to Cardi's rescue in the comments and reminded people that criticizing a woman for having hair in a normal place makes no sense. People commented things like, quote, "OMG, wow, haters gonna hate. Cardi B let it slide like butter. People stop being hateful. She was on the Grammys. Were we? Nope." And this person who said, quote, "Seriously, I had to zoom in and squint to see any hair. Hair is normal. Hashtag let her live." Comments like these give me hope for the internet. I will say Cardi doesn't seem to be letting this situation bother her at all. Last night she posted this picture to her Instagram with the caption, quote, "Mwahaha. Keep evil laughing at the haters, Cardi. Please tell me where you stand on this whole Cardi B stomach hair situation. Let's talk it out down there in the comments." For more celeb news, click the boxes and subscribe.